What's up, techies? Fluffy here, and today we've got the Honor 400 Pro 5G right out of the packaging. Inside, we see the midnight black handset, Honor's 100-watt supercharged brick, USB-C cable, transparent jelly case, and quick start guides. First touch, it feels premium yet surprisingly balanced, even with that hefty 6000 mAh silicon carbon battery inside. Let's power it up and dive into why this phone might redefine mobile photography and performance. The 5000 nit ultra bright display stays visible under harsh sun, and dynamic dimming makes prolonged use easy on your eyes. Netflix and Amazon HDR certifications deliver vibrant colors. Durability, IP68 and IP69 mean this phone fears neither rain nor accidental dunks. It's built tough for real-world use. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 flagship chip powers every task. Opening apps is instantaneous, multitasking is seamless, and GPU Turbo X delivers console-grade frame rates in demanding titles. I threw benchmarks at its sky-high scores every time. Plus, on-device Gemini AI Assistant handles live translation, note-taking, and AI writing tools without a hitch. This phone doesn't just keep up, it races ahead in the AI era. A 6000 mAh silicon carbon battery means all-day endurance. Wired 100-watt supercharge hits 51% in just 15 minutes, and 50-watt wireless goes to 33% in the same span. Honor rates it for 1,200 charge cycles and 4 years of durability. Battery anxiety is officially over. Front and center is the 200MP ultra clear AI main camera. That's a 1/1.4 sensor with OIS and EIS. Honor's AI RAW engine uses a 12.4 billion parameter model to crank clarity up by 50%. For zoom, there's a 50MP Sony IMX856 telephoto sensor with 3 times optical and up to 50 times AI super zoom. Check out these before and after crops textures. Even distant signs remain legible. The AI-enhanced portrait mode nails skin tones and edge detection, while AI RAW offers serious post-processing flexibility. Low-light shots pop thanks to HDR and noise reduction algorithms. This is a content creator's dream camera. So, Honor 400 Pro 5G at 32,999 pesos. You get flagship level imaging, blistering Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 performance, and an endurance champion of a battery. It nails everything on our checklist, though the AI UI could use minor polish. Overall, techbeatph.com awards it a gold rating, a top contender for creators and power users. That's a wrap on the Honor 400 Pro 5G unboxing and deep dive. If you're after stellar camera output and next level performance, this one's worth your attention. Smash that like button, subscribe for more techbeatph.com insights, and drop a comment what feature would you test first. Catch you in the next video.